Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 55. Let's start.
Nice!
Alright. So far we have 3. Now we have 4, but only 2 fish left. Let's try there. Okay. Now maybe let's try there.
Nice!
All right.
Great! Perfect!
Here.